Hello and welcome back to the English Habit, your cozy space to learn English slowly, clearly, and with real life conversations. I'm Sarah, your host and English learning friend. Today's topic is something we all experience: making small talk at work. Work isn't just about meetings and deadlines. It's also about those little chats that make the day brighter. Greeting a coworker, talking about the weather, or sharing weekend plans. In this lesson, you'll hear 10 short dialogues from the office. Simple, natural conversations you can use with your colleagues every day. Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and notice how real people connect through small talk in English. By the end, you'll sound more confident and friendly at work, just like a native speaker. So, grab your notebook, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Morning greeting. Every workday starts with the simple "Good morning." In this dialogue, Emma meets her coworker, Ben, in the hallway. They greet each other and share a few friendly words before starting their busy day. Good morning, Ben.
Morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A little sleepy, though. Stayed up too late watching a movie.
Oh, yeah? What did you watch?
The Secret Garden. It was really nice and relaxing.
Sounds good. I might check it out sometime.
You should. How about you? How's your morning going?
Not bad. I already had my first cup of coffee, so I'm officially awake.
I need one too. I can't function without it.
There's fresh coffee in the break room. I just made a new pot.
Really? You're a lifesaver. Thanks, Ben.
Anytime. Have a good start to your day, Emma.
You too, Ben. See you later.
Talking about the weather. Weather is one of the easiest ways to start a friendly chat at work. In this dialogue, Emma and Ben meet by the window and talk about the weather, something everyone can relate to, no matter where you work.
Wow, it's really pouring today.
Yeah, I know. I got completely soaked walking from the bus stop.
Oh no, you didn't have an umbrella?
I did, but the wind turned it inside out.
That's the worst. I hate when that happens.
Same here. At least it's warm inside the office.
True. Rainy days make me feel sleepy, though.
Yeah, it's hard to focus when it's gray outside.
I just want a cup of tea and a blanket.
That sounds perfect. Maybe we should have cozy hour instead of office hour.
I'd totally sign up for that.
Well, until then, back to work, I guess.
Yeah, let's survive this rainy day together.
Coffee break chat. It's mid-morning and everyone's taking a short break. You walk into the office kitchen to grab a cup of coffee. A coworker is already there, stirring their drink. It's the perfect time for a friendly chat.
Morning, Jake. Taking a quick coffee break, too?
Yeah, couldn't survive the day without it. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. Just catching up on emails. How about you?
Same here. Meetings all morning, so this coffee is a lifesaver.
I know the feeling. What do you usually drink?
Just black coffee. Simple and strong. You?
I go for a latte, need a little milk to calm it down.
Sounds nice. Maybe I should try that next time.
Deal. And I'll try your black coffee one day, if I'm brave enough.
Challenge accepted.
Asking about the weekend. It's Monday morning, and the office is slowly waking up. Emma walks to the pantry to grab some water, and she runs into her coworker by the coffee machine. It's the perfect moment for a little small talk. And what's better to start with than the weekend?
Morning, Jake. How was your weekend?
Hey, Emma. It was pretty good. I went hiking with my brother.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
We drove out to Maple Hill. It's about an hour from the city. The view was amazing.
That sounds perfect. I've been wanting to go there for ages.
You totally should. The air is so fresh and it's not too crowded.
Maybe next weekend. I stayed home this time, just caught up on some reading.
That sounds nice too. Sometimes a quiet weekend is all you need.
Exactly. Anyway, hope your Monday's off to a good start.
Thanks. You too, Emma.
Complimenting a coworker. It's mid-morning, and everyone's busy at their desks. Emma walks past a coworker's workspace and notices a beautiful presentation slide on the screen. Small compliments like this can make someone's day and build good office vibes, too.
Hey, Olivia. That presentation looks amazing. Did you design those slides yourself?
Oh, thanks, Emma. Yeah, I worked on them last night.
The colors and layout look super clean, very professional.
I'm glad you think so. I was worried it looked too simple.
Not at all. It's clear and easy to follow, just what we need for the meeting.
You just made my morning. Thanks for the kind words.
Well, you earned it. Can't wait to see you present later.
Thanks. Fingers crossed it goes smoothly.
Talking about lunch plans. It's almost noon, and everyone's starting to think less about emails and more about food. Emma spots her coworker by the printer and decides to ask the question everyone loves at this hour. What's for lunch?
Hey, Jake. Any lunch plans today?
Not yet. I was just thinking about grabbing something nearby. How about you?
I might get a sandwich from the cafe downstairs. Their tuna melt is my favorite.
Oh, yeah. That one's good. Mind if I join you?
Of course not. It'll be nice to get some fresh air.
Definitely. We've been staring at screens all morning.
True. I need a little break before the afternoon meetings.
Same here. My brain's already asking for coffee number 3.
Maybe we can grab one after lunch.
Deal. Oh, do you want to eat outside or stay in the cafe?
Outside sounds great. The weather's perfect today.
Awesome. Let's head out around 12:30.
Works for me. I'll pack up my laptop and meet you by the elevator.
Perfect. See you then.
Sharing good news. Nothing brightens up a workday like hearing good news from a coworker. Today, Emma walks into the office with a big grin, and her teammate can tell something exciting just happened. Let's listen to their cheerful chat.
Morning, Emma. You look extra happy today. What's up?
Guess what? I just got approved for the company's training program in Singapore.
Wow, that's amazing. Congratulations. You totally deserve it.
Thanks. I'm so excited. It's been my goal since last year.
That's huge. How long will you be there?
Just 2 weeks, but I'll get to work with the international team.
That's going to be such a great experience. You'll learn so much.
I know, right? I can't wait to bring back new ideas and share them with the team.
You've worked so hard for this. I'm really happy for you.
Thanks, Liam. That means a lot.
Do you know when you're leaving?
Next month, so I still have time to prepare everything.
Nice. Let's celebrate at lunch today. My treat.
Deal, but only if you let me buy coffee after.
Fair enough. It's a celebration combo.
Offering help. In every workplace, teamwork makes everything smoother. Sometimes a simple "need a hand" can turn a stressful day into a better one. In this scene, Emma notices her coworker struggling and decides to lend a hand. Let's listen.
Hey, Jake. You look pretty busy. Everything okay?
Yeah, just trying to finish this report before the meeting. My computer's being slow again.
Oh, no. That's the worst. Want me to help check the formatting while you fix the charts?
Really? That would be awesome. Thanks, Emma.
No problem. Teamwork, right?
Exactly. I owe you one.
Just buy me a coffee later, and we're even.
Deal. You're a lifesaver.
Okay, I've adjusted the margins and fixed the spacing.
Perfect timing. I just finished the charts.
Great. Let's combine everything and double-check the summary.
Done. It actually looks pretty good now.
See? Told you 2 brains are better than 1.
You're right. Thanks again, Emma. I couldn't have finished on time without you.
Talking about a project. Work conversations aren't always about deadlines. Sometimes they're about ideas, creativity, and teamwork. In this dialogue, Emma and her coworker chat about a new project they're working on and share a few thoughts to make it even better. Let's listen.
Hey, Mia, how's the new marketing project going?
Pretty good. We just finished the first draft of the campaign plan.
Nice. I really liked your idea about the customer stories. It makes the message more personal.
Thanks. I wasn't sure if it would work, but the team seemed to like it too.
Totally. I think it'll connect really well with our audience.
Appreciate that. Are you still working on the visuals?
Yep, almost done. I'll send them to you by the end of the day.
Perfect. Once we combine everything, it's going to look great.
Can't wait to see the final version.
Me too. We just need to polish the tagline a bit. It still feels too formal.
Maybe we can make it sound more friendly and conversational?
Good idea. Let's brainstorm after lunch.
Sure thing. A creative meeting over coffee sounds perfect.
Saying goodbye after work. After a long day at the office, a simple "see you tomorrow" can make the workplace feel warm and friendly. In this final dialogue, Emma and her coworker wrap up their day with a lighthearted goodbye before heading home. Let's listen.
Finally, time to call it a day.
I know, right? Today felt extra long.
Totally. But at least we finished that report.
Yeah, good teamwork.
Are you heading straight home?
I think so. Maybe I'll grab some takeout on the way. You?
I'm meeting a friend for dinner. A little midweek treat.
Sounds nice. You deserve it after today.
Thanks. See you tomorrow?
Yep. Have a great evening, Emma.
You too, Mia. Get some rest.
And that's all for today's lesson on making small talk at work. Remember, small talk isn't just filler conversation. It's how we build trust, connect with others, and make the workplace a little warmer every day. Try using some of these expressions the next time you see a coworker by the coffee machine or in the elevator. Even a simple "good morning" or "how was your weekend" can open the door to great conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning English. This is Sarah from The English Habit, your cozy place to slow down and speak English naturally. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.